Hello guys, do you think Windows Paint is too simplistic? If you answered yes, stay here, I will present you an excellent alternative, Paint.net. Paint.net is image and photo editing software for PCs that run Windows. It features an intuitive and innovative user interface with support for layers, unlimited undo, special effects, and a wide variety of useful and powerful tools. An active and growing online community provides friendly help, tutorials, and plugins. This great software is free to use and no ads. It has been compared to other digital photo editing software packages such as Adobe Photoshop, Corel Paint Shop Pro, Microsoft Photo Editor and the GIMP. Link to the Paint.net in the video description. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video. See you in the next one. Bye.